Hello and welcome to Fox Current Event News Update. Today we are reporting on invasive species in the coral reefs.
Many people may be familiar with the Florida Keys for vacation spots. The region is known for a tropical savanna climate and sunny skies with summer thunderstorms, not to mention the high humidity levels.
We are going to focus on one extremely important aspect of the Florida Keys, and that is the coral reefs.
In this biome lives many producers, such as phytoplankton. These organisms feed other larger animals and are an important part of the coral reef food chain.
Yes, they are, and one of the larger animals phytoplankton feeds is jellyfish. Jellyfish, specifically moon jellyfish, need a 1.3 water quality to live, and are often used in tropical aquariums. In addition to phytoplankton, jellyfish also eats zooplankton as well as larvae and eggs of other plankton. Moon jellyfish, as well as other species of jellyfish, are consumed by sea turtles.
And speaking of which, the green sea turtle is another animal species that resides in the Florida Keys, as well as the white-tipped shark. To talk about these animals, let's bring in Trey, the animal expert.
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about the green sea turtles. This turtle is an herbivore and primarily eats algae. They have few predators besides some species of shark, and while they are on land that lay eggs, the predators include foxes and raccoons. Now the white-tipped shark has a low population and is at risk for even becoming endangered. The wild species lives in tropical areas and feeds on plenty of octopus, spiny lobsters, crabs, and even also some bony fishes, including eels and reef fishes. Cool, right?
Very cool. How about a round of applause for Trey? Thank you for your time.
No problemo.
Now we got the knowledge about the Florida Keys and the animals living in its coral reef. Let's move on to the serious problem that this area is facing.
And to give us inside information, we get to chat our field reporter.
Thank you, Pam. Now Florida is facing an invasive species problem. Citizens in the Florida area purchase exotic animals, and then when they get too big, they release them into a local body of water. With no predators and plenty of food, the species population will soon skyrocket and decrease other species populations drastically. This causes a disruption in the food webs. An example of an invasive species is the lionfish. The spiky fish threatens biodiversity in the Atlantic Ocean, and limited biodiversity can lead to the weak ecosystem. Back to you, Karen.
Thank you. It can be concluded that our invasive species, like the lionfish, can be harmful to the biome like the Florida Keys. I hope our audience takes something important from our report today and how invasive species can cause such a ripple effect in the area. This has been Fox Current Event News. Thank you.
Let you know it's bad.